Namaskara, Manjula Avare. But
Namaskara, Ramki avare.
excuse me
One.
if I break into English because I'm not so
Ah,
fluent like you guys. I
no,
hope
no,
it's
no.
okay.
It's perfectly fine. As I said, it's namdonthara Kanglish atwa whatever you say. ಅದೊಳಗೆ ನಡೆಸ್ತದೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. I mean, first of all, thank you, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ for agreeing to do this. We were talking about Shri S.P. Balasubramanian ji just like a week ago, and we were so happy that he is recovering, and unfortunately
Yeah.
he passed away. Just in a moment of silence for the departed soul.
ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿ ಹೌದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ
ಓಂ
ಶಾಂತಿ
ಶಾಂತಿ.
ಶಾಂತಿ. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
So, so Ramki ji, actually, on how we got in touch with each other is all starts from thanks to Yes Vyasa, the Yoga
Yes, of
University, and I had enrolled for the YIC, and you too had done the same thing. And I remember that we were like what 200 around 200 people in that class, I believe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
It was the 79th batch or something like that.
79th batch, and back in May 2018, I believe.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. And how I remember is actually when one of the sessions there was a pause in between before our lecturer came on board, and then ma'am had asked like somebody can sing a song, and you came up and you sang I think, is it Brahma Murari or is it Om Jaya
No,
Jagadisha Hare? I forgot, but
that,
you
yes,
sounded
Om
so
Jai Jagdish Hare.
yeah, you sounded so much like SP Balasubramaniam ji. So, and
Thank you.
many of us, like, we thought, wow, he sings so well. And that's how we started interacting. And during our karma yoga sessions, like, we did all sorts of things, and it was really
Yes.
very enriching. And
Yes, of course.
that is how this whole thing started. And I'm so happy that all the batchmates that were in that batch, we have become yoga bandhus. So we are
Yes, of
still in touch.
yeah.
That is the best part of it. And that said, this is kind of a formal introduction. We know each other, but for our viewers, this is just a
Yep.
brief intro. And that said, I will let you talk. So just give us a brief intro about you, your family, and how you got
Yep.
interested in yoga. And
Yep.
you are doing some amazing work in the field of yoga. You are tutoring, and each and every month you are trying very difficult posture yourself, and you're basically leading by example. So just if you can talk about it, that would be nice.
Thank you, Manjula. And I thank Shevadi channel. It started by my dear colleague and co-student in S. Vyasa. It's an amazing thing. I understood the name of Shevadi only after she started introducing me. It's a treasure. And it's amazing, a treasure not only for all Hindus, but for the whole humanity. So I thank you once more
Thank you.
enable me to give an introduction.
Thank you.
The thing is, I am from Bangalore. Even though I was born in Chennai, I came to Bangalore very early in my early days. And for 26 years, I have been in Bangalore. My early days, my joys of growing up and, interacting with kids of my own age, getting to know cricket, getting to know Gundappa Vishwanath and Prasanna and other things. I love cricket too. So, yeah. So, those are the happiest days which I have spent in my life. So I have done my schooling and my college and partly my chartered accountant in Bangalore. Then and then during my CA studies, I think my father passed away, so I had to take over business, and then I migrated to Middle East, and I've been studying and working there. Got my UK chartered accountant, UK cost accounting. Then I did my Australian CPA. So I've been 26 years in Bangalore and another 20 and odd years in the Middle East. And I have a wife who hails from Chennai, and she's an amazing lady too. And she's a wonderful cook, and she's been amazing support to me.
Yeah. That's
And
wonderful.
I have two lovely sons. One is working in the bank. The other one is working in an IT company. So they're all grown up.
Uh-huh.
And right now, I migrated to Australia somewhere in 2008
Uh-huh.
and been working here in Melbourne
Mhm.
for the last 12 years. And this is a tough time for us. COVID situation, as you all know, uh, strict restrictions. We can't get out of the house
True.
other than non-essential stuff. We need to wear our mask every time we step out of the house.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, so difficult time. But then we are sort of breaking into all sorts of past habits and getting a new life.
Mm-hmm.
And it made me realize that the year 2020 is sort of a eye opener for all of us, the whole
True.
world.
Yes.
You have to come back to your roots,
Mm-hmm.
stop getting into what I call following up all these unnecessary things. Get
Yes.
into that's why we understood the name of Avishya, Atyavishya, and Anavishya.
Wow.
So we
Yes.
know what is Avishya, what is Atyavishya. Basically, I think 60-70% of our life is Anavishya.
Correct.
So we have
Yeah.
set it aside and then we have come to it.
Correct.
So that's all about me.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, so please go ahead. That's
Yeah.
what I'll do is I'll give you a break so that then you can ask the
Okay,
next
okay.
question.
Because
So
I
that will
tend
be
to
better.
talk a lot, so I didn't want to,
No, that's
do
okay.
this thing.
You're
Yeah.
fine. You're fine.
Thank you. I mean, that was a wonderful introduction, Ramki. And as you pointed out, it is kind of an, yes, the virus pandemic has really disrupted the whole thing. But if you look at the other side of it, as you pointed out, it's kind of an eye opener for everybody to kind of do introspection and see where we were going wrong, right? Because we thought like we were all indispensable, we can do everything. So it's kind of a eye opener, as Krishna has said that sambhavami yuge yuge. Who knows? This might be that, and
Yes,
kind of like
absolutely.
waking us up from that complacency and trying to make sure that we get back to our roots and start leading a
Yep.
more contented and meaningful life, maybe. Right.
Yep.
So, and coming to this is wonderful journey. And how did you get interested in yoga? And I see that you actually conduct classes, online classes on Zoom and on all online
Yes.
platforms. And what I really like is as you had pointed out, you try out asana yourself, and you do, because the Vishwamitra asana and then the other asanas that you've been doing, this is really difficult, because it's not just keeping the body flexible, getting into a pose, because as Patanjali has said, sthiram sukham asanam. It's not just you do bend yourself and stay in that pose for a second or so. It is consistently you have to keep doing it, and that kind of motivates, right? The teacher has to teach by example. Telling is one thing, but practicing it, showing it, then your students or whoever is learning from you will be motivated to actually do it, right?
Of course.
So just a little bit of how you are keeping up with it, and how that yoga instructor certification, how did you actually come to know about it, SVS's course, and your journey as a yoga guru. Yeah.
Thank you, Manjula. How it all started was I was living in the Middle East. At that time, one of my friends suggested that I do yoga. I was reasonably physically fit. I used to play badminton and other stuff. Then he said, why don't you come to join yoga? I have heard of yoga. I have seen yoga. And I have BK Iyengar is from Mysore and Bangalore. So I have seen all those things. But for some reason, I have never attended a class. Not that I disliked it. I have seen it and then say, oh, that's yoga. And then just walked away. In 2005, my friend took me to yoga. And then when I started doing it, the teacher told me, you're doing well. I said, I didn't know that. See, the thing is, my potential, I was not aware of my own potential. And then he told me that you're doing well. That pushed me onto it. Then I started doing yoga, attending classes. Then my family had migrated to Melbourne somewhere in 2002. So my wife and children were in Melbourne. I was in the Middle East. So I used to travel to and fro every 3 months and coming back and forth. And then my wife joined a very, very devoted, dedicated teacher who is now my guru. He's called as Guru Rajendra. He's got Vasudeva Kriya Yoga.
Wow.
And he's associated with Yes Vyasa. So I attended his class and I will only call him Guruji when Guruji means Sri Rajendra. So
got it.
Guruji is an amazing example of a yogi. The simplest of the man. He never shows off. He's always dedicated to yoga. I think 70% of his life goes to yoga. Of course, he's a karma yogi. He has his duties toward his wife and son. He has got a son. So he was my ideal. And
Okay.
I was learning under him, under his tutelage, and then also did a lot of training under him. Then I also became a teacher under his own school.
Yeah.
Then at some point of time, what happened was, due to my own family commitments, I could not dedicate complete time to him. Then I stepped back, and with his blessings, and I said, I have started my own training, which I could do at my own timing, because the times could not coincide with his timings.
Yes.
He's got a large school and he has to fix to the time, but I could be flexible with the timing. So, for example, if I say I take a class today and I say, okay, I will shift it 1 hour later or 1 hour earlier, that could be possible, but not with him.
Yes.
So I started doing that. And then I think 3 to 4 years back, it really struck me that unless the person is blessed by Sri Krishna, that you can't do yoga. And everything is coming from him.
Correct.
If you understand that, that means you are known to be a messenger of Krishna through Patanjali Yoga to spread yoga.
Correct.
So that is the message I have sort of learnt. And now coming back to the thing about advanced postures, as we all know, we learnt in SVSA that Ashtanga Yoga is 8-part yoga, and Yogasana is only one part of it. There are other things, Yama, Niyama, then Dhyana, Dharana, and other things.
Correct.
So a sound mind in a sound body. When your body is healthy, your mind functions well, and eventually Dhyana, Dharana, and then what is called Pratyahara and Samadhi.
Yeah.
What you call Ishvara Pranidhana. That is very important for us. Unless we learn this one.
Yes.
And then talking about, I will give you an example of this Vishwamitrasana. Vishwamitrasana's posture is named after that Vishwamitra only because of the 4 characteristics which we all should have in life. It's focus, dedication, determination, and perseverance.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm not still very fluent in Kannada to tell that 4 words
that's
in
perfectly
Kannada,
fine.
but I will learn.
Yeah.
But I also have to confess that when I saw your channel, Shevali, and then I thought, okay, I need to relearn my Kannada. I have learned Kannada up to college, okay? But then, as I said, friends talk English, and I'm a Tamilian, so I talk Tamilian to my Tamil friends. I talk Hindi to my Hindi friends. So I know multi languages, but I am not an expert. So these are the drawbacks which I have when I talk multiple languages. But now I have learned it, and then I have learned today. Thank you again. I have learned one specific word. Sthiti Sthapaktva. That is called resilience. Resilience in English.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So that is required for all of us.
Yes.
Only then we will not give up. And we will not give up only when you have faith in the Lord who resides in you, saying that you are not the doer, I am doing it.
Yes. We are just an instrument.
Yes, absolutely. And I remember the conversation we had where you say that you like Dr. Rajkumar's, Dr. Rajkumar's, there in one song he says, Adeneyagali avane karana. So that is important to us. You must realize that. Adene agali avane
karana. ಹೌದು. ಅದು ನಾಪ್ಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮುಂದುವರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಇದಾಗೋ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಂತಬಾರ್ದಪ್ಪ. ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So these are the things which prompted me to do this yoga. This especially the advanced postures. Never give up. That's how the resilience practice comes in. And then I'm very happy that I was able to take yoga via Zoom sessions. I have many students who join me now. In fact, I am joined to a leadership course with my company. And there, one of my project is to provide yoga sessions to elderly patients, or elderly senior citizens, old age homes, and chair yoga. I also do chair yoga for people who have issues with knees and are unable to stand. So I think basically I would, from my point of view, I'd say I have stepped out to a level that I think till whatever time Krishna gives us, we will be serving the community via yoga. So that is my yoga journey. I'm very happy that you as a colleague has really put it up and very well. I have seen your videos where you show yoga postures. It's very nice. Advanced postures are not the only ones.
Correct.
You believe in any yoga posture and you do it with faith.
Yes.
I think that's the best thing.
Yes.
So thank you. So I'm that's my intro about
Wow.
my journey into yoga.
Yeah, thank you so much. I mean, the way you explained, it shows your, the modesty, Ram Kiore, because you know so many languages. Because I've heard you, sing in various languages. Because that analogy keeps coming back to me. You're so much like SPB sir. So Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada. Nowadays, when we were interacting during YIC sessions, you actually the final farewell function. You had coordinated that entire farewell function so well.
Yeah.
We had done that, one song where that was like a classic song. I
Yeah.
think Chandra Mohanji, Dr. Chandra Mohanji, and you know, all these, we had, and then our group had sung a yoga anthem. And as you pointed out, what I really appreciate you, for doing is you're taking up yoga as, remember, like when we graduated, when we got our YIC yoga instructor certificate, Guruji, the founder, HR Nagendra Acharya ji, had told us, take this yoga, spread it everywhere. Make sure that each and every household knows the value of yoga. I think that's the best that one can do, and I feel
Yes,
that is the best Guru Dakshina we can give, to our gurus, because if we take it as a service and spread it to every, each and every corner. Why we have chosen this online medium, be it YouTube or your Zoom sessions, because it has a wider reach. So that is the reason, and I really appreciate it. And on the fun side, you are such an awesome singer, be it devotional or light music or film music. I was thinking, like, we were like, like our group, the gang that we had, Pooja and
yeah.
Suma and you, Chandra Mohanji, and there's so many people. We all would sing, and this Antyakshari we had. That fun aspect is also needed, right? For in our life, because the humor sometimes, be whatever the difficult situation, if we look at, I'm not saying it's not like humor means not like making fun of somebody or something. It's just sometimes it can be self-deprecating humor, or making some light situation out of anything that helps us to handle it better. That is what I have seen after going through
Stress
many
reliever, as we
challenges.
call it.
Yeah, definitely. So that singing, and you should have become, you still have a chance that you can still become a playback singer. That is but at the same time, we can keep singing, and there's so many platforms these days. And
Yes,
other point
exactly.
that I really liked was Krishna being that, Yogeshwara. That is why we call him Yogeshwara. So
Yes.
with his blessings, with God's blessings and Guru's grace, if and we go on the right path, I think, and also the blessings and best wishes from all the people who are really interested in these things, will definitely take us a long way. That is what I strongly believe in, and I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. For actually you without even thinking twice about this, when I requested you, you said yes, I'll do it. And I really thank you. It reminds me of this Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, where he says how we have to look at people, right? There is a, Maitri Karuna Mudita. So that is like, when you see somebody who is happy, be happy for them.
Absolutely.
And if you see somebody who is not, who is in a sad situation, be compassionate. And if you see somebody doing good deeds, you actually, appreciate and support them. And if somebody is doing not so good things, who has some, who is not doing the right things, despite somebody trying to correct them, then indifference or ignoring them, right? Upeksha, that is what Patanjali says. If we employ those things, whether it to people or to situations, I think we definitely can lead a very contented life, and not getting bothered about all these different things. And that is what I see you actually living it.
We help others. That's
correct.
One of the most important thing we need to understand.
Yeah, true. Thank you so much. And
No worries.
you have already, sung a beautiful song for us for this channel. Ade Nadu, Ade Bhashe. Endendu Kannadavagirali. Thank you. That's a beautiful song. I being from Mysuru, Karnataka, the state of Karnataka, and that too sung by Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam ji. That's definitely, not only a song for the channel, but a true tribute to that great soul. Shri S.P. Balasubramaniam ji. And thank you. And if you can sing a few lines from any song that of his, right? Before we conclude this session, that would be great. But I'll be posting that also. Just anything that comes to your
Okay.
mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'll just give a brief intro on my singing part of it. How
Sure,
I got
definitely. That
interested in
helps.
singing is,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
My mother actually, I said I'm back in Bangalore. So
Uh-huh.
my mother was an all India area artist at her
Oh,
age. And then
wow.
when we grew up, of course, family commitment, she couldn't actually sing. So
Uh-huh.
my initial tutelage was under my mother.
Oh,
So
okay.
she's a classical singer. So I have learned a lot of classical songs.
Wow.
And then,
Okay.
then what happened was film songs came into the picture because singing
Yes.
film songs are much easier than
Yes.
classical songs.
Yes. Yes.
So I did learn a lot of classical songs. And take a brief. The other thing is, I have been working in country Victoria, so I have to travel a lot from Melbourne
Okay.
to another place. So I travel
Oh.
about 300 kilometers. I come once a week and keep going there.
Uh-huh.
So that gave me a lot of time in the car. It takes 3 hours for me to go there.
Oh,
So
okay.
I sang and practiced a lot of songs.
Wow.
So I have collected approximately 108 songs for Krishna. So I have finished all those 108 songs for Krishna.
That's
So I got
wonderful.
a file and keep singing once a day or once in 2 days, like that, 3-4 songs.
Uh-huh.
And it is called multiple languages. Like we have
Wow.
Sanskrit, Kannada,
Uh-huh.
Tamil, Telugu. Telugu a lot because we have our Annamacharya
Yes.
and
Yes.
all those people.
Correct. Correct.
And
Yeah.
we have got the Kannada songs also there.
Uh-huh.
So I really love to sing. And
Uh-huh.
what I would initially plan is maybe when I finish my working career, I could get into yoga fusion with music. And
That
then
would be
say
wonderful. Yeah.
how both of them are joining together. It's like what do you call that? It goes together, and then
Yes.
eventually
Yes.
you go to the Ishvara Pranidhana. You
Correct.
sing
Correct.
for God,
Yeah.
you do yoga for Him. So
Yes.
that's
Yes.
basically thing. So I
True.
hope I can get something like that.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
I'll
It will
start
happen. You have such
classes.
a,
Yeah.
noble thought, and that will definitely happen. This music, as as we were told, right, during our course, this actually helps in, that Manomaya Kosha, the bhajans and everything. So that is how this so well integrated. If we get into that
Yes.
Panchakosha model, this is really
Absolutely.
awesome. I mean, thank you, and you're thinking
No
along
worries.
those lines. Yeah. Mm.
I can sing 2 lines of
Sure.
one of my favorite songs. And sing it in Kannada because I know you appreciate Kannada, and I love Kannada too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I will sing a song, and
Sure.
I'll apology for if there's a small mistake here and
No,
there. I'm
please.
sorry about that.
No,
So
don't worry
yeah,
about it. Yeah.
it's one of my favorite songs.
Yeah.
Baro Krishnaya, Baro Krishnaya, Ninna Bhaktara Manahiga, Krishnaya, Baro Krishnaya, Baro Ninna Mukhatoro, Baro Nina Mukhatoro, Baro Nina Mukhatoro, Nina Sariyaro, Jagadara Dhirani, Baro Krishnaya.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's really
Not
very
worries.
nice, and actually, pranam to your mother. Really, Matru Devo Bhava. You got it from that thing, and then you
Yeah,
continued.
it's her
So
blessing. Yes.
yeah. Really, thank you so much, Hamki. And any anything that else that you want to tell our viewers?
From my side, I could offer that if you want any sort of a classical or what do you got, philosophical songs, I could sing for you.
Sure.
Just add it to the part of this thing. It's not my channel, your channel. So I'm
It's
only
our
contributing
channel.
to your.
It's our channel,
bring it up.
Ramki. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. And yeah.
And if there is any yoga posture which you would like me to explain, for example, I have done at least 15 or 20 advanced postures.
Oh, wow.
So,
Okay.
and at this point, I'm getting ready to do even the Adho Mukha Vrikshasana, that is standing on the
Yes.
handstand.
Yeah.
So all those things, I
Yeah.
could give a brief description of what the posture is
Sure.
and how it actually benefits, and then do the posture and show it. So that will be helpful for you.
Oh,
So
wonderful. Yeah.
whenever, at your convenience, at whenever
Yeah.
you want it, there is
Oh,
no
wow.
compulsion.
Oh, thank you, Ramki. I mean, like really, I don't have any words to explain my gratitude. Thank you so much. And as I said, it's our channel. It's because as we, interested in spreading this message of yoga and how the whole thing works. So it's not just my channel; it's your channel too, and our channel in general. Thank you. I'll definitely take up that offer, and I appreciate you, for giving us time. And thank you. Thanks again.
Not at
Hari
all.
Om.
Thank you very much, and
Yeah.
all our blessings to you, so that you can get in the great channel.
Oh,
Thank you very
okay.
much.
Thank you. Hari Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. That's what.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hari Om.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.